People, and welcome back. So today we want to talk about the oxidation number of several elements. Now we don't talk about the rule one. When we if you never watched the video, just go check oxidation number. That one I know right one here, name me the first one, and now rule one you go see. So this one are the rule two. Try go know the rule one. Just go find and watch that video. It's very important. I go link them up here. Even if you don't see them here, just go watch them for my page. They already. This rule two, they talk about the oxidation number. The oxidation number of a simple ion. A simple ion is the charge of that ion. Is the charge of that ion. Now, as I talk like this, now plenty people no go understand this particular one. But make I explain now. Now, I said the oxidation number of a simple ion is the charge of that particular ion. Now, this ion we talk about, before I go explain that one in detail, ion has two types. This ion, it get two types. What are the two types of ion? Very simple. The first one is what we call the anion. Have you heard of anion? Negatively charged ion is called anion. Write it down because there is no time. Negatively charged ion is called anion. Now, what about positively charged ion? What do you think is called? Put this in the comment section before I finish writing. Positively charged ion is called what? Correct, cation. Good. Now that you know what the positively charged ion is and also what the negatively charged ion is, remember we have two types of ion, positively charged and negatively charged, and I've given you the respective names. Now the rule we are talking about now say the oxidation number of a simple ion is the charge of that particular ion. So with that being said, let's practicalize it. Let's solve one or two problems to demonstrate it before we move to the next rule. Now, if we are asked to determine, that's the first question. Remember, I promised to give an assignment on this one or classwork, which you can smartly do it without having to think twice. Now, so then they take teach. If I teach explainer like that, everything enter. You will see yourself, they solve everything. Determine the oxidation number of sodium. The oxidation number of sodium in sodium ion, like this. If you never see this one, at least don't see them for the first time. But if you don't see them before, fine. Our interest now to solve this problem. Now, if you want to solve this particular question, it is very, very simple. Oh. Anytime we see plus like this, it means a plus 1. Oh. If you see minus on top here, it means a minus 1. If you see plus 2, and a plus 2 be that. Plus 3, as then go write them up. If it's a minus 2, then go write them up. But anything will be just only plus or only minus. Now the ion be that. Remember I say the oxidation number of a simple ion is the charge of the ion. Now the charge be this particular one on this. Now the charge of the ion be this particular one with there. So what it is saying at the answer? It's simple. The answer is plus 1. So the oxidation number of sodium in this particular sodium ion is this particular charge on it, which is plus 1. Very simple. Now question 2. I'll do extra one join before I give you classwork. Determine the oxidation number of aluminum. In Al. Might just give this one as 3 plus. Al 3 plus. Wait, it is in the answer. Remember this rule. The oxidation number of a simple ion is the charge of that ion. So it will be correct. You're correct. Plus 3. Plus 3 is the correct answer. Remember, say they always they stay and they go write like this 3 before plus all of now the system and the pattern of the way in the right time that. Okay, this one I be your own. If you understand this thing, why I don't teach you now. I know say you don't happy right now because now so learning supposed to be. If you break everything down, students supposed to be am. So this one now determine the oxidation number of oxygen in O2 minus. What it is saying at the answer, put that for comment section, and then comment if this particular video help you well, and then try to share. If you never subscribe, hit the subscribe button, because now like this we will take the learn chemistry. And if you're ready for oxidation number 3, like the rule 3, put that for comment section, and they active to always help you fix this thing. Always write the charge. For example, is this say this one a plus, I write +1, I'm not just write saying a 1, or this one 3 plus, I'm not just write saying just 3, I add the charge, the sign, join them. So always add the charge. The charge, they very very important. So now all I get for you for this particular video. If you know say this particular video help you, help me share them, help me like, hit the like button, give me thumbs up, and then hit the subscribe button, turn on the bell icon, so that when I upload new video, you self go receive notification. And don't forget to join our Telegram platform where structured videos dey. Registration done dey on. Make sure say you register and join us and dey learn. So now all I get for you today. Until next one, I go see you for the next video. Thank you so much for watching.